Alright, welcome to day 17 of our Python coding challenge. So today we'll be working on converting a given binary number into a decimal number. Right, so we just get to it like that. Okay, pause the video if you and give it a try and let me know what your trial was, how the trial was like in the comment section. So right, without further ado, we jump into coding right now. So num is equals to int input, enter a binary number. All right, so now we collect a binary number and right here. Then now we want to have the decimal conversion of this is equals to int. But when it comes to using int, we want to look at the documentation a bit. So let's maximize this. So you see you can use int, you can use x as a string, a buffer, some other things that we can work with here. So what we want to do here is pass in this binary, okay, pass in this num, then I want to pass in 2, which is the base. I want to take this num to, then I want to just go ahead and print out a decimal equivalent of this, of binary number num. I think I'll just change this to, okay, I change this to binary. All right, is decimal. All right, so let's give this a try. So now if I should enter 1 0, okay, can't convert not string with expressive base. So this has to be a string. What I need to do now is to remove this int conversion. All right, so 10 now is 2 in binary. But what if I say 1 0 1 0, not 10? That should be 10. All right, we have that quite all right. So this is you converting from a decimal number, a binary number, into a decimal number. All right, well, let's test something here. Let's say you want to convert it to base 8 instead, and let's now say 1010. Yes, base 8 too also works, so you can easily convert to any base in this way. But what we are working with is binary number. All right, so guys, you've learned something new today. Don't forget to like this video and comment what you've learned today and your approach to it in the comment section. And yes, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Bye. See you next time.